Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you the task schedule Google Sheets template that I built for my family, and it's completely dynamic. It's perfect for families, chore systems, routines, or planning structured monthly workflows. The design is modern, simple, and easy to use, and there are a few variations in the formatting. If you want this exact template for your home, or your kids, or your office, it's available in my shop. I'll post a link to it in the description. You can get it for a minimum price of $4 currently, or if you would like to purchase it for more, I would greatly appreciate it. Let me show you how it works. Here you can see all of the months arranged on this first sheet. And each month has the month header, weekdays, and then all of the days for that month. We've got a section for daily tasks and weekly tasks. And then the only place that you're going to need to edit on each month is this first day. So let's say I want to update this for 2027. I edit that date, it automatically updates the rest of the days in this row. It updated the weekdays, and you'll see if I even change the month, it will automatically update this header of the month. So if you want to start with a different month, you can definitely do that. I chose to not link the entire calendar to one date, so you will need to update this if you're updating it for a next year. You'll have to do that just once under each month. So I have designed this for 2026. Here's an alternate version using a serif font, and the weekdays have a prefix using 3 letters. On this version, the weekdays have a prefix using 2 letters. And on this sheet with checkboxes, you can use this one digitally if you want to check off each task and use it on your computer or a device. And another thing I want to point out is each of these months are grouped. So if you need to cinch those up and work on a specific month, you can do that, a little bit more space saving. And here at the right, I have a few hidden columns. If you want to use this color palette for each of the months, you can access it that way. This is formatted, ready for print. So if you go to File, Print, I can fit 1/4 of the year on each sheet. Or if you want to play with the page breaks, you can make it fit however much of the month. I'm sure if you're expanding your tasks, it may get longer than this one. But you could print this front back if you needed to. But it's styled very cleanly. You could also save this as a PDF. If you wanted to download it, you could go to File and download it for Excel. The formatting may differ just a little bit. So again, this is perfect for home routines, chore systems, and any type of monthly planning for your home, office, or otherwise. I hope this Google Sheets template helps you organize and manage your tasks and workflow. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care.